Hello, welcome back. This is part 2 of the hood strut replacement video. I am adding the second part, which is me replacing the other hood strut that I said in the first video I was going to replace. But I'm going to try another technique to get this off without being so rough with it. We'll see if it actually works out, if not. So I have a long bladed screwdriver. I also have a stiff putty knife. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Let's see. I'm also going to get a pair of needle nose pliers and see if I can grab this one's a little trickier to get out, so I'm glad it's less damage. So I did less damage to it using the approach that I did. As you can see, the problem is I have this box here, I have this hinge, and then this little collar ring is problematic. I don't want to just pull. So the question is, do I try to push it out through the front? Oh, there it is. So here's what I did. So I'm sliding it in between, I'm wiggling it. And then I lift it up. Let me zoom out. And then I pull it out. So it comes out in the space right there. And then I pull it out. Let me show you the other view. It came up from here. All right, so just I brought it down, lifted up, and then pulled it out. So I'll try to put the new one in kind of the same way. I'm gonna go in through here and then tilt it. There we go. I hope you're catching this. Okay, so I have to get this over to that side, and I have to get that peg into that hole. You see that hole right there? And my needle nose pliers, I have to get that into that hole over there. Okay, so it's in the hole, and now we just gotta turn that. All right, let's see if I can lift it up with my fingers. Maybe I'll try these needle nose. Almost. It could work. You know, it was almost easier to do it with my finger. You know, I tried using needle nose pliers to lift it up and over, but I realized it's just easier to do it with your fingers. So now I'm gonna try. I used vice grip needle nose last time. I'm gonna use regular needle nose this time. And that worked just fine too. So that's in, and my peg is in the hole. So let's take a look to see if this thing works. In these Mercedes, you're allowed to bring the hood completely vertical. Now, in order to bring the hood back, there are this one locking mechanism, okay? So I'm gonna have to pull that out and push the lid down, the hood down. And now when you do that, the left side opens like that, and you gotta drop it down. There. See how it moved? That's now in the intermediate position. So, let's take a look at the hood. So now that I have two new hood struts, this thing is really robust. So if you do replace hood struts, it's a good idea to replace them in pairs. Also, when you close a hood of a car, especially a Mercedes and these older hoods, you should go about 6 inches before, and you should be able to just drop it. And then it latches. All right, thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. Thank you, I appreciate it. Bye.